The heck? Hello?
Hello? Hey, it's Broski.
Who's this?
It's AKAC Money.
Where are you calling me from?
I'm calling you from a payphone.
A phone booth? Why are you calling me from a phone booth?
Because some guy jacked my phone from me.
Okay. And where is this phone booth?
I'm on the one on Main Street.
Main Street, huh? Is that next to Bursky Boulevard?
Oh yeah!
He's taunting me right now. I can see him. He's taunting me right now. I need to beat him up. Sneak up from behind.
Sit tight. And I'll do anything stupid.
I'll try not to. Alright, buddy. I've had enough of this. You're going down. What now?
What? Dude! I was just coming to help you out.
It's alright. I took care of it.
You didn't do anything stupid, did you?
Nah.